Hi, it's Bonnie Jean from BonnieJean.com, and we are at the Sterling Heights Nature Center. And I just got permission to take pictures or the camera in to show you what it's like. So let's go on a little journey together, shall we? Beaver. That looks cool. I have a spotted turtle. He's not moving. He's tired. An eastern newt. He's just being lazy. I think he knows he's on camera. Praying mantis. Ooh. See it right there? Hard to tell. He's right there by the sticks. And these are baby snapping turtles. Everybody seems to be lazy today. They're not moving. They're just sitting here. Oh, Tiffany, look it. It's a badger. Look at his face. That's cool. I think of this guy every time Tiffany says she's bringing out her honey badger. Animals get into Christmas spirit. This is a red fox. And a striped skunk. I don't know. I think their faces are so cute. What do you think? Fishies. Fishies. Smile, you're on camera. I think they know they're getting their picture taken. I think it's the light on the camera that's flashing and they actually see it. Pretty cool. We have a raccoon. It's a cute little face. We have a green frog, but he's over here in the corner. Let's see if I can get him. See him? He's right there. He's hiding. Sitting really still. A frog skeleton. Isn't that cool? And here we have a mink. And another cute little face. Look at, aw. And they show mink skin. How sad. A big snapping turtle. We have a big shell here. All different kinds of shells. Look at the goose eggs. Ooh. Albino eastern black rat snake. I thought albino meant they were white. Yeah. Ooh, an eastern fox snake. Where's its head? He's hiding. Let's go on the other side. He's shy. He's got his head tucked underneath. Oh, see, now it's up there. I don't know, he's pretty long. This container seems pretty small. He's moving. This guy's moving. Oh. Look at this, how cool. That is so cool. This is the first lively thing we've seen in here, huh? Awesome. This is a spiny, soft shell turtle. Sunning himself under the lamp. Tiger salamander. And he's swimming away from us. I can't get over there because his container is next to the wall. So unless he swims out this way, we can't get him. He's over there on the right hand side though. See him? There he is. In the back. They seem to have a lot of turtles here. Can you guess what this is? Very pretty. It's Sad Betty's. It's an immature red-tailed hawk. Let's see if I can get down here. Some mallard duck eggs. Bones from an owl pellet. And all kinds of skeletons that aren't marked, so I have no idea what they are. Look at this baby. Let's see if I get back here. That guy's huge. And who would put him up in the ceiling? But there's a nest up there too. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. Another snake. Eastern milk snake. He's tiny. When you come into the nature center, you walk into this enclosure that has running water, and I believe there's turtles here too. She was cleaning it out when I first walked in. See this? I think there's a turtle swimming right there. And I know they have a live bird. Look. Let's see if I can get close enough so you can hear it. That was your tour of the Sterling Heights Nature Center, and I think I'm going to take a quick walk before I go back to the office. I've been doing a lot of running around today for Christmas shopping, groceries again, to the bank again, and to multiple stores looking for one particular thing for the partner that I cannot find. We were getting an echo sound in there, so it is really nice out here. In fact, I've been running around all day today, pretty much without a coat. Probably going to end up getting sick. But I noticed on Tiffany's blog that she was talking about what your Walmart is, things that you don't care to do, or things that you keep putting off because you don't like to do them, but you know that they need to get done. Well, Christmas shopping is one of those Walmarts for me. I detest it. If I can sit at home and order things on the computer, that's great. But when I have to go out and get them in person, that stinks. I love to give presents, I just don't like to shop for them. So okay, I'm going to turn off the camera now, and I hope you had fun at the Nature Center with me, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.